Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. John dropped off his Road Glide for a little Stage 2 high power. He was happy with the way our Stage 2 sounded, but he wanted a little extra mid-bass in the 6x9s, didn't want to cut holes in his saddlebags to add mid-bass drivers, but he still wanted a little bit of bottom end, and that's what our Stage 2 high power does for clients that completely refuse to do woofers in the bags. So we did a SoundStream radio, we did Sound Digital evox 800.4, evox 2, we did 2 of them. We did Cicada CH in the fairing, we did Hertz 690 Neos in the lids. This bike came with a 4.3 inch screen, so everybody knows I'm a fan of the GTS radio. This bike is a new bike, but it came with a 4.3 inch screen, so obviously we had to upgrade it. That's how we ended up with the SoundStream. Obviously oxygen-free copper wire throughout the install, HKI mini DSP, NVS audio T-harness, and the bike came out phenomenal. It took, so when we were tuning it sounded good on my phone, we were tuning it with his phone, realized that the EQ was turned on in the Spotify app. Once we flattened the EQ, sounded perfect, got excellent mid-bass without overdriving the speakers, but it was a nice little build. Check it out.
After the party, it's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Where people don't dance, all they do is this. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. What people don't visit, they move out here. And they no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL. I'm the MVP, most ballin' player. Make my own moves, call me the mayor. Monday night, you know things change with time. Magic City back looking like 89. All my homies on the south side up.
I'm not a player, I just crush it out. I'm still not a player, but you still a hater. Elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse freaks, in-house beach, French count seats, 10,000 east, rent out lease. When I option
No more rolling with nothing to rush, unless it's fun in the terror squad.